y'all, I just woke up and look, it's raining and it has been raining since last night और it's so beautiful. Plus मेरे यहाँ पे जो curtains थे ना, जो roll up था वो गिर गया अभी like वो पीछे गिर गया मेरे बेड के. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pick that up now. But look at the rain, it's so beautiful. Wow. Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a super productive and exciting day. I am so excited for today. I cannot tell you guys enough. But something bad happened today, and मेरा जो curtain है वो गिर गया नीचे. And it was so annoying. It was so scary because बिल्कुल मेरे bed के ऊपर वो लगा हुआ है, and I literally thought I was gonna die कि मेरे ऊपर गिर जाएगा. I mean, it's not that much of a big deal, but it's chaotic, of course. So, other than that, the weather is so beautiful. You guys see the fan is turned off, and it's beautiful. It's raining, and it's raining so beautifully because सीधी बारिश हो रही है. I love the rain. If you guys know me, I love the rain so much. So yeah, today's video is all about how to become a better version of yourself, and doing this is hard for some people and it's super easy for some people as well. If you think you have to change for the better, you do it, because honestly, I think the people who say that I wouldn't change myself, I think that can be taken negatively and positively, because some people, they have such a good personality aura, and everything about them is really good. So if they say they don't want to change anything about themselves, perfect. Some people are like, they want to change things about themselves, but they don't want to like put it out like that. So they say, I don't want to change anything about myself, but they in reality like do things to make themselves better. Some people have really problematic personalities, so they really have to change themselves. This video is about how you can change yourself to become a better version of yourself. You don't have to absolutely delete that previous version of yourself to become a new one, but what you can do is try things and different techniques, different ways in how you can become a better version of yourself, how you can live on a plan A and delete the plan B's forever. Because if you guys know me, I always say that I always have plan B and plan C's, but that isn't that much of a good thing. I think some say it's a good thing. I honestly think it's a good thing to have plan B's. But some people also say that some good people, like some successful people say that they don't have plan Bs. They work on plan A and they execute it till the end. They do not make changes to it. They, just get through it and they only follow plan A. Today's main goal is to basically make a K-pop themed video. It's gonna be a half a minute of video. I am going to create it. Consists of 2 looks. Okay, so it is the song. It's on the song जो K-pop group है Baby Monster. It's on the song Sheesh, and oh my god, it consists of 2 looks that I have planned out, and I am inspired by Pony's Syndrome. I love her so much. The way she talks, the way she carries herself, her hair, her outfits, her nails, her makeup, everything is so on point and flawless. I just love her, and she's such a calm personality person because उसकी videos देख के बिल्कुल positivity vibe ही रहती है throughout. बहुत ज़्यादा yapping हो गई है. So I think without any further ado, let's just get started with our day and get the things done. You guys, I only had tea for breakfast, and this video is at least going to take more than 5 to 7 hours. I just know it because I dive into the perfection and details and I can't come out until it's perfect. So I have to eat something. If I don't eat anything before filming, you guys can scold me in the comments, alright? So I'm trying to eat noodles before at least something. I'm trying to eat noodles because I woke up early today to, get started with this video. But सुबह के time पे I woke up and I couldn't get back to sleep. So थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे भी मेरा time ज़्यादा हो गया, वरना मैं और जल्दी उठ जाती. To read
some daily goals to become a better version of yourself. You guys can note it down, but I'm just gonna read it off of my laptop. So you guys can get a better idea what this video is about. In order to become a better version of yourself, you have to get 9 to 10 hours of sleep every night, because that is something I. Oh my god, some people. Okay, and I try to do that. Sometimes when there's work, it gets compromised, but other than that, okay, बहुत दफ़ा हो जाता है मुझसे ये चीज़ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ मेरी नींद पे, स्पेशली यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ. प्लस the next thing is you should smile whenever you can, because see it religiously, it's good. If you see it दूसरी तरीके से, it's also good. So it's like it's a way you can become a better version of yourself, because the more you smile. Why is this video turning into a podcast? Okay, stop. Because the more you smile, the more you can ignore the negativity around you. It's my way of coping up as well. You have to listen to your body. Whatever it tells you, it's gonna be right. If it's a gut feeling, believe that. If you are craving something, give yourself that, because not every day you're gonna crave that. Fine, if you're on a diet, you can have a free day. If like it's a cheat day. If you are exercising, want to eat all of that snack sort of things, you can give yourself that if your body wants it. So you should do stretching, reduce sugar intake, which I am so out on. I use sugar a lot. That is so bad, honestly. Think of 3 things I am grateful for every day. Practice gratitude. Honestly, that would make your life better and make you into a better person and a better version of yourself, because practicing gratitude is also something I do every single day. 5 times a day I like tell myself 3 things that I am grateful for every single day, and it helps so much. So if some days you feel like, oh my god, this is so wrong, I feel so bad, this is so unfair, life is so unfair, but when you remember these 3 things that you're grateful for, you should do it for every day. हर दिन किस किस चीज़ के लिए आप grateful हुए हो उस दिन. So that would be really good, honestly. Be in the moment. Okay, this is so important. Be in the present moment. Past गुजर चुका है, future अभी तक आया नहीं है. ठीक है, you can work hard for your future. But it is so important to be in the moment. As an influencer and as a content creator full time, it is really, really hard for me to be in the moment. But I try my best, because every time, everything, I have to film it and I have to upload it on my Instagram and on my YouTube and on 4 different sorts of social media platforms. So it's really hard to put the phone down and be in the moment. So I try my best to do that, but sometimes you can get stuck. Okay, the last thing I'm going to talk about is organize your thoughts and declutter your stuff every day, because it's really important. Yeah, so those were some of my takes on how to become a better version of yourself. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. You all can ignore the mess in my room. That would be appreciated, because I'm in the middle of something. But I just sat down, I had my breakfast and I just sat down. I'm gonna be watching a makeup video for inspiration and to like keep myself motivated. That's how I do it. Plus I am going to be writing down and planning each and every step. Last night I was also doing this. I planned out the lines. I did not write the time frame and timestamps. So I think this time I'm going to do that, because एक भी चीज़ आगे पीछे नहीं हो सकती. I want this video to be perfect. जो मुझे बनाना है. Write it down here, and I don't know where my pink pen went. So let's just use another one. So we have our pen. So let's just get started now. And there are two looks in the video. The first is like a Korean K-pop kind of, like idol vibe. And the next one, I think, okay, I'm not gonna do the one that she has on. This one, I think I'm gonna skip on that, and I am going to do something else because I really want to do a fun look. So I'm thinking of mixing this and this look together because बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm also thinking of filming the first look or maybe both. I'm thinking of filming the first look, honestly. So let's just get started. Guys, after a long time, it is currently 2:17 p.m. I spent so much time doing this, honestly, and I'm inserting a picture. You can see that I also was planning out the video last night on my phone and finally on my journal, and now I can finally execute it. So let's just get started. Y'all, I am done with the first look, and this is a Korean look, and I think this is the best I've done. I've tried Korean look before, but I think this is the best I've done in my entire life. I think the Aegyoosal is so pretty, and the lip is just it looks like I have a filter on, no? But I have absolutely zero filter on. Plus, all of this powder, let me show you all. This powder, and on the floor as well. Guys, to get the hairstyle that Pony has, I have to straighten my hair, and I have some accessories. I have this accessories. I can make it look similar, but I don't have bangs either, so I have to do something. I'm just currently heating up my straightener, and after it gets heated, I'm just going to straighten my hair. This is the look, and I still have to figure out the earrings. Do it together. Give us a. These are the Korean earrings that I have. Let's just wear these to give it a more, realistic look. Pretty, right? I ordered these so long ago after Sugar or something similar. I was like, I have to get it now. It's great. Okay. Earrings are in. I'm just going to. Let's just do the hairstyle together. Why? Just do this a little bit. Just crunch it and try. Kind of similar, no? I don't know how I can, but let's just find out a way. कम पोर्शन क्यों ले रही हूँ मैं बालों का? अजीब सी बात लग रही है मुझे अपने बालों में. Okay, looks a little bit not good. I have to do something like this. Doesn't look good. Change it. You guys don't call me crazy, but I added it. It looks really good. Things like this. I have to add this to my neck, and I don't know if I can do it because the lock is not big enough. If I can just keep it, here. But this doesn't go with it. This would work. This would definitely work. This is gold. So yeah, let's just go and film. Look at the weather. Did I not tell you it was so beautiful? Look at it. Wow. I finally got good light, और एक वीडियो मैंने 10 दफ़ा बनाई है, स्पेशली जो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डालनी है. बाकी ट्रांजिशन बन चुकी है मेरी. अब there's only the second look left. I have time exactly till 6:30. It's 5 o'clock right now. Your girl is very tired, so I'm taking a break. Back is hurting and my hands are hurting. Just gonna take a break. I'm going to go pray now. I just ordered Sky's food, so that is that. Love the look. Too bad I have to wipe it off. Plus there's this look. There's this Rapunzel themed look that I just did. Here it is. The eye makeup of this look was something else as well, and this entire makeup look is something else as well. कभी कभी मेरा makeup बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. Plus the light brows are giving. I did them like light brown, and look at the eyes. It is so pretty. Absolutely love it. Y'all, I'm back at my place and I'm going to start working again. So now I'm just going to go to look 2 and just quickly finish this because I'm so tired. My back is hurting and I need food. I'm so hungry. I thought it's gonna take 6 to 7 hours, but it's almost more than 7 hours. I thought I'm gonna film a YouTube video as well, like a tutorial, but I am gonna skip on that because I can't do that right now. I'm gonna do it later. Plus, I'm also going to be using nails for this look. I'm so excited. Plus, I also recently just bought these new glues. I got 5 of them, and I also have to see how good they are because when I tested them, जब मैं लेके आई थी, on my finger, it was really good. So let's just hope that it's really good still. Now it is currently 7 p.m. and I have the nails on. This is the set that I have on. This is the eye makeup. It's pretty cool. I'm done. The nails look so good. I did this. I paired it with this chain, and I also had a pair of glasses on. So mad कि ये मेरा curtain निकल गया है. It's literally annoying the hell out of me, but the mess. Look at the mess. What is this? At least my nails look good. No, it's really, really pretty. Okay, you all, face is washed and cleaned. I'm just going to clean all of this mess quickly now. Okay, your bed is cleaned and I'm just going to relax and take a break now. I'm gonna eat something honestly. I'll just show you the process of decluttering more, but this is all the stuff that I have to throw out. Okay, don't mind, this isn't a book, this is just a diary. Anyways, I'm decluttering these pair of heels as well because I had a session maybe like 2 years ago and my heel broke, so I'm going to throw it away. Yeah, just kidding y'all, I got up again. Just have to do this one part that is left of the video. It is the heel part where you have to walk, and so I'm gonna do it for legs, and I'm gonna wear the silver sparkly disco heels that I own. And I'm just going to quickly finish off this transition. So I'm making tea for myself because I want some tea right now. So after that, I promise I will just relax. Y'all, I am done with the shoot. और इसका last part मैंने film कर लिया. My tea is also done. I'm going to go have some fun now, relax, and take a break. 12 a.m. and before going to bed, I was thinking that today's video was such a success that I wanted to make more. I have tried making a video on Loco by ITZY and was shut down by Blackpink, and I have done so many more K-pop themed videos, girl groups, but I don't remember. These two are the most remembered ones. I have done so many more, I just know that. Plus now I have done Baby Monster Kashish. I loved it, so I really wanted to do another theme video on XG Ka Woke Up because that song I'm enjoying the most. I'm thinking of doing the first 40 seconds of the song. So here it is. I was just listening to it again and again on repeat. I just got done with all of like my work, so I should sit and plan because I have been relaxing for a while now. I watched an episode of The Glory. I finished season 1 and now I just realized that there's season 2 as well. I didn't know that. I was happy, I finished a K-drama today. Anyways, but the end was a little bit suspicious. It was really suspicious. Yeah, I was like, there has to be a season 2. So when I searched it up, there is another season. so I'm gonna watch it. But I am going to be planning out this video right now. I really want to, and I'm going to plan out the different looks, and I have so many transition ideas for it. Plus the video that I made today, I'm probably going to edit it tonight before sleeping. I'm going to try not to do that because we're becoming a better version of ourselves. Not going to use the phone at night with the lights off. I'm not going to do that. Also, another thing, I was sitting in my lounge with the lights closed and on my laptop. I just instantly, got up and came back into my room because I'm not gonna use my laptop and my phones with the dim lights and closed lights because honestly that hurts my eyes and my head so bad कि उस टाइम पता नहीं चलता फिर अगले दिन मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हेडेक होती है मुझे माइग्रेन वाला पेन शुरू हो जाता है. Anyways, I'm just gonna do that. Today I really want to do some cleaning because it is always good to tidy up your space and clean your room. Plus there's this video about the room makeover that I'm filming. Probably be shooting all of this in that video. The curtain fell again. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it, but I have to get it fixed again today. I'm gonna get it fixed properly. Plus, I have some curtains ordered as well. So I've ordered like pink curtains. They're basically, I think they're blinds. They won't. I know they won't stop the light, but that's fine. I don't mind that. But I really want to, just like have something to like put over my windows. I'm just going to go and have some breakfast, and for breakfast, I'm gonna have some noodles. Plus, I'm also going to have water because yesterday I dehydrated myself, so I don't want to do that today. Yes, let's just go and get started with our day. I have been awake since 9:30 a.m. It's currently 11:30 a.m. So yeah, let's just finally get up. Please avoid my bed. I just got up, but I did clean my room as much as I could. I have something to tell you guys. I'm going to tell you guys wait. It is now evening and I wanted to tell you guys that I edited the video. The video turned out so cool. The editing is insane. So if you guys want to see how the video turned out, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Glam with Richa. Then I just down, had a cup of tea, also a glass of water like this one. I have so many of these in a day because self-hydrated. I don't want to get dehydrated. Then I watched Are You Sure episode 4. Plus before that, in the afternoon, I was watching Run episode 155 and it made me tear up so bad. Suga's and Jimin's speech literally made me tear up. I was literally laughing and then crying. I really feel like reading. Honestly, मेरा बहुत दिल कर रहा है. And I want to read this webtoon. I'm on chapter episode 53. So I'm just going to read it and because obviously reading is a really good thing. It helps your vocabulary, it helps your knowledge, information, and so much more. Plus, get to know the world more. So I'm just gonna dive into this webtoon and read. Fun fact, I really love when authors do this. Honestly, जब ये इस तरह से बना के लेके आते हैं ना funny करने के लिए, so it's like the best. Honestly, it's the best. Previously when I had these, because of the shifting, a little bit distorted and dysfunctioned, but they had like all the colors. इतना तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, आप छेड़ोगे ऐसी चीज़ों को. ऊपर क्या देख रहे थे, इधर से राइट आती. Anyways, so it had like all the colors, plus not just the colors, it had like the, you know, like the different vibe of the colors too. Like pink had 3 shades of pink, and you could control the light. Y'all, I installed some lights here. They look like that, and I have made a connection from here to there. So that looks really good. I just closed it. Plus, I did show it in my video of the room transformation. So make sure you keep a lookout for that. I am not sure if I'm going to be uploading it before or after this. So just keep a lookout for that. Okay, all tea is prepared and my laptop is open. I have a journal right in front of me and I have a pen. I will start working on it immediately. I have to plan out the transitions for, I think, 30 seconds, and the next or and last part will be for 20 seconds, a total of like a 1 minute video. So that is the basic plan, and I have really cool transitions, not just, you know, simple head turns and hand gestures. I want to try something different this time because I've seen so many videos and I have so much inspiration. Get started with that right now. Curtain dobara nahi laga hai. I don't know abhi lagta hai ya kal lagta hai. Also, tomorrow is a package expected. I am going to be receiving the bags that I ordered, and I'm coming all the way from China, and I'm super excited. अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं, honestly. My experience has been good. Yeah, plus today I was also looking for, you know, like some video inspirations. You must have seen those videos today, the pink in my pink girl era, and just pink girl things, just aesthetic girl things, just girly things. I was looking at videos like those, and I am so definitely going to be making those really soon. I just know that the curtains will add the finishing touches to my room. Honestly, I just know it. Plus, I really want to do something big in a big frame, or I can do it myself. Started with the planning, finished my tea, and that is the plan. Sad news, I was just sitting here doing my work, planning the content out, and I just received this message from the store racks from. They said ki the order has been cancelled due to some issues with the courier. If you want to order again, you can, but I'm not gonna do that, of course. What I can do is just go to the mall tomorrow and maybe find something else for the walls, because I have some stuff. I will show it to you guys. Stuff has to go like on the wall, so it's not that I can skip out on the wall decor. I have to get something. Maybe I have this one rack, maybe I'm going to use that, but I have to visit the store. I want to get more stuff because now my money is saved. I can spend it on something else. And don't get me wrong, I don't usually do this. I do save money, but I want to. This is a room transformation we're talking about. Before I end this video and go to bed, I am going to wash my hair because tomorrow is an important day. Tomorrow is a shoot day and I'm probably going to be filming it as well. Not probably, I'm definitely going to be filming it. I hope everything goes well, inshallah. But I will be filming it, and I wanted to, like prolong this video, but I was like, इसमें 2 लुक्स हो जाएंगी, दूसरी वीडियो बना रही थी बिकॉज जो कल की वीडियो उसमें बेसिकली 3 लुक्स हैं. सो मेक श्योर टू कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. आई एम गोना गो एंड वॉश माई हेयर बिकॉज माई हेयर इज नॉट इन द राइट कंडीशन राइट नाउ. I am so ready for tomorrow. I am so ready to like do the new 2 looks. I'm really hoping that I get to do both of them because 2 looks are normal makeup looks and the third one is like creative graphic eyeliner moment. So I'm really looking forward to it. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for tagging along, and if you made it till this far of the video, comment this beautiful green emoji. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.